Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll talk about how we can create or generate a graph using Power BI. If you are not aware of it about Power BI, feel free to watch my previous videos. This is the fourth video in a playlist where I'm going to show you with the help of Excel data how we can generate a Power BI graph or graph in Power BI. As I already mentioned earlier, this is a complete playlist for Power BI. If you wanted to explore or if you wanted to learn Power BI from scratch, feel free to watch this complete playlist. At the end of the playlist, I will share the certificates for you. If you wanted to get certified on Power BI from RP Hub, make sure to watch complete playlist. Post watching, you can share the screenshots with your email ID. I will generate certificates and share with you. That's whole idea of giving you advanced sessions on Power BI to make you perfect or to make additional skill set into your resume or profile. So let's start with today's video. Post installations, we will be able to jump into the screen. In this video, I will show you how we can use Excel data to generate the graph in Power BI. Now, here we have an Excel file which contains some header, Excel sample data, supermarket sample data, and all those informations. If you want, you can just delete this because while generating this report, we don't need the blank value or we don't need the blank data. Here, I will save as in download folder. Now we have crystal clear data available. So in Power BI, for importing this data, we have three ways. By using all three ways, you can generate it. So either you can click on get data or import sections, and from here you can use some Power BI templates, or get data is also showing you Excel workbook. That's the first method. Second method, you can directly call this Excel workbook, and here also you have data source available. So these three are from the menu options, but if you have the blank wizard, you can also import data from Excel from this icon. Total we have 4 ways where we can add data into our Power BI tool. If you know any other ways, feel free to share the detail in the comments so that it will be helpful for other viewers. The main purpose of this complete playlist is to help you understand how we can use Power BI in real life. So make sure to share your knowledge as well, to share your experience in the comment section so that it will be helpful for the broader audience base or broader viewer base. Now, to import it, I will simply use this, navigate it to the folder where I've kept the supermarket data. Here, I have created some set of data. By using that data, we are going to generate the report. Now, in this sections, you can see this is the wizard generated. And by using that, you can see this load informations are available. If you want to do some customizations like what we did into the Excel, we have deleted some rows and columns. But if you want, you can even transform the data from here as well. It will give you another wizard where you can customize it. Any informations you are not looking forward to keep it into your board, you can always remove it or empty this fields. This is a best part of Power BI where it is giving you in control to not only import the data as well as you can even modify your Excel data. If there's no Excel present into your system, you can also modify it from here. The best part is this one. Now, once we are done with the customizations, we are also having different set of query editor wizards. In further part of the playlist, we'll definitely discuss about the Power BI query editor. But as of now, let's focus how we can import and generate simple graph using Excel data. So I will close this. Not for now. We'll again import this from here. Select this wizard. I'm okay with this data. Even we will have suggested tables as well. This is a crystal clear suggested table. You can always use any informations whichever you're comfortable with it. If you don't want to use the suggested tables, you can always use yours. So here I have the suggested table options available. I will click on load. This will take a few seconds to get the data informations available. And then we have this visualizations data available in right sections. In data formats, you can see some of the informations are available, which you can see just clicking on this. And here we have this data set. As we've seen in cloud versions, here we have filters and visualizations wizard. Let's consider I wanted to generate a pie chart. I will just click on this icon and add some set of data to be added. Whenever I will select the customer name, I can see the customer data is available in the legend fields. Now, whenever I will select other fields, I can see these are the fields listed here. Now you can see we have added some of order quantity here, and I will include other fields, some other fields like water in this. Then we have some records updated and shipping date. We have some informations added into the value sections, and here you can see order date year is listed. Similar way, we can also add for other records. This is a pie chart. By using that, we can generate a pie chart. Now, if I wanted to add state bar charts or state area charts, I can also do that. So it's similar way, we can also add other informations. Totally depending on the data which we have included, we can see this report is generated. And you can see every time it will show me with the legends, value, as well as the visual interface. We have not written a single line of code in this interface or in Power BI to generate this type of graph. If we wanted to use any other application, or if we are using any other applications, in that case, we have to write line of codes to generate this type of visualizations, or we have to do a lot of customizations. But here we have just added the Excel file, included the data, and by default or automatically, this will give me a clear, crystal clear informations or data, and accordingly, I can generate the visualizations graph. It's very simple enough where we can generate the bar charts or pie chart. And it's very simple how we can drag and drop. If we want, we can even remove some set of data from one field to the other. And we can do a lot more things with the Power BI. So this is basically a very initial stages how you can generate the graph in desktop versions. In further part of the video, along with some other additional steps, I will explain you how we can generate the graph with some other data sources, or how we can work with some other fields. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the content. And if you think so, this will be valuable, don't forget to share within your circle so that it will reach to the needed person. Thank you for watching.